Hello friends. So in this video I will continue the demonstration of this pyramid of study designs in the research methods. So in previous two videos we have discussed on this in vitro research and this animal research. Now in this short video I will discuss on this third kind of study designs. Now this third kind of study designs which lies on number 3 when we come from bottom to the top. So this ideas, editorials, opinions. These are the some similar kinds of studies which are also considered as the study designs under this pyramid of study design. What are ideas, what are editorials, or what are opinions? In short, these all kinds of study articles, these all kinds of study designs are these all kinds of material that you when searching on different research related topics you will go through some of these ideas, editorials and opinions. All of these are based on the personal experience of a person who is a specialist, who is experienced, or who is specialist in his own field. That piece of opinion, that piece of editorial, or that piece of idea, whatever you call it, but these all are written in different formats, but they all have similar kinds of content. The content is based on the experience of an individual, on his expertise in a particular field. For example, a senior physician writing on diabetic ketoacidosis, he or she will share his her own experience related to the diabetic ketoacidosis, and that may be published in the research journals and can be used as a evidence in the practice, but that is subject to be biased. Why? Because it is a single opinion, a single idea given by a single person of that field. That's not necessarily that everyone should agree with it, but it contributes a lot in the research world. So these are also known as the a kind of study designs you will find. So we have put together these in here: ideas, editorials, opinions, but all of them are the experience shared by a single person, and because they are subject to bias they are also considered as the low evidence studies.